Hello everybody, this is me with this video, and the review video I'm gonna be doing today is called Videtar. It's launching on November the 2nd. So now this is the sales page of Videtar, and the software's about how you can it's all about like you can see, cloud-based on one video marketing app that gets you easy page number one rankings and unlimited free traffic with a few clicks. So basically, what it is all about it's about videos and where you can it's if you do video marketing, which I highly recommend people doing, you're gonna receive a lot of benefits in this software. And so now let's go down in the members area. No, I'm sorry. In the you're gonna look at the members area at the sales page and the bonuses. But like you can see here, just an explanation of a. I'm not gonna go too much in depth because you can see it in yourself. The link down below. Now, but it's just testimonials and basic and sales page stuff. But this is what this all about is just demo, and so gives you a little bit of description on it and all that. So you're gonna now so now as far as the tool goes, this is the members area. This when you first come into the member, you're gonna see this. This is what you're going to see, which is download videos, total, and I'm gonna explain what this is all about. And so um now as far as the bonuses for this video for the Videtar is gonna be a special bonus, and all of these bonuses are very congruent to the product. Now as far as the so bonus number one is how to make videos with no knowledge of topic. So you really don't, if you really don't know what videos you do and all that, this bonus will help you a lot because uh I get that sometimes you don't have okay, what kind of video should I do, what knowledge. So it's gonna get you in that, and it can give you some information how you can create videos, and using the Videtar software you'll be able to create videos in it, which I'll be showing you in a it will be shown in the members area. So that's bonus number one. Bonus number two is two alternative ways to monetize your videos. So like I said, in the thing in the inside of Videtar software, you'll be able to create videos and be able to so it's gonna give you um the two ways how you can monetize videos and be able to make some money from that. And then bonus number three is how to rank your videos on YouTube. And this goes is gonna go more for bonus number two. To where when you can have you get videos, you be able to rank them and be able to monetize them. So because you need to rank videos on YouTube in order for you to get views and make money from that. So with this be able to show you how you can rank your videos. Bonus number four is a way how you can profit from other people's videos. Um, you know, you may not want to do your own videos, so you can create in this a way to give you a way you can profit from other people's videos basically. And so it's gonna give you information how you can do that. And so Bonus number 6 is going to be how to find expired Web 2.0s. Expired Web 2.0s is that's very crucial if you want to rank uh, you know videos. So this is goes to the congruent to what you have to to the bonus on how you can rank YouTube videos. Very congruent is gonna help you a lot, especially with the software and all that. So bonus number 6 is how you can create an affiliate campaign from scratch. Um, this is basically gonna teach you the power of doing review videos and and how you can rank them because many people when they when they launch the product and have email lists now people want more information, so they're gonna go online, and so it's gonna teach you how you can do this um from scratch step by step, and so and you'll be able to make money with that, and you'll be able to rank these videos with the methods that I'm teaching you how to rank videos, and with the Videtar software you'll be able to rank these videos and be get traffic and make money from that, make sales. Bonus number 7 is over 500,000 royalty free background music tracks. If you, and it's good for people if you're doing a let's say an image video. This will help you a lot because creating images and all that, how you can have a music, make it better. Um, so this you can get these bonuses on the link down below and get access to this bonus page. And so now back to the members area. I'm gonna teach you what's going on. So when you get into the members area, you're gonna see this how the dashboard is, and now the video research, and the you see here the video research, and what this is about is um, keyword. You can search keywords and how videos the ranking in these keywords and how much traffic they're getting. So let me just put it right here. So let's put the tree. All right. So if you want to look for information on here, you can search this up. It's taking a while, but so as you can see here, it can give you information on the video. It says dog training 101, and you can see that how many when it got published was about 5 years ago. The views and all the statistics this video is getting. So that's really what you can do. The video and so sometimes you may want to look for a specific keyword and see how good it's ranking. This tool is very, and that's what I like about this tool. It's helpful. The video fetcher is you'll be able to access to the creator's comments and be able to access videos so you can legally use. Um, so let's in this case we put doctrine. Okay, and let's see the results and what the results come. It's gonna go into show you some videos, so you can download these videos and be able to upload them on your account, and you can send traffic to maybe an offer you have or something. So obviously it doesn't have to be dog training, but it can be something else. And like I said, if you want this video, you can click it and submit. It will be downloading. Now, as far as a video creator, in these tools allow you to create videos. Now, this is the thing I like about it is that it's on one software, on one um, tool. There's people to you want to do video marketing. This would be a helpful tool. Now, let's see down below. Let me just scroll this up. Now, you're gonna start with the title, and let me just scroll this up a little bit more. So you'll be able to start with the title, right? And so you'll be basic information. Uh, I'm sorry for the inconvenience, but okay. So I understand that. All right, you're gonna be able to put a title, right? And in this case, I'm gonna put dog training. All right, now there you go, dog training. And so you'll be able to then, after you put that, you're gonna hit next down in the button, and what says next. Obviously, sorry for the so you're gonna put next in the, and so once you put next, you'll be able to create. You can see this is select video. You'll be able to select a video. You can add your own video. So like if you download you can add a video, or you can if you want to create a image video, you can put a pixel bay, which allows you to be able to grab images, and you can use add music and all that stuff. Now you can have inbuilt video, which is give you some quality of videos. You know, a couple industries of you, like for example, internet marketing, cardiology and things like that. You'll be able to monetize. Maybe you can go to some CPA offers and be able to get these videos and send traffic to to the offer. So but you get the idea of but you get the idea, and it's gonna take you to other steps. And so now live streaming this. The thing I like about this is that if you're doing maybe like, say, review videos or something, this will help you a lot. And what this teaches you is keywords and all that. And this is more for SEO purposes. Be able to create a lot of links to your to the video, and so you can add uh, keywords and all that. So for example, let's say you were doing a review video, you'll be able to put your keywords. You'll be able to have a lot of access to links to your video and be able to rank it. And so you have list videos, and this is, you will be able to see this. You'll be able to see your links that you created, and you can, and so in here you can uh the YouTube settings, the link, the video link, and then and you want to delete, and so and then it's gonna come to, and so then the conversion booster, it's just mostly be able to create a script on your video. So it's pretty helpful if it's like you said, generating a script, you'll be able to do that into the software, and then you're gonna be able to go and then the accounts, you'll be able to add multiple accounts um, in the software, so you will be able, so it will be more convenient, much easier for you. And so then Pixabay images, you'll be able to get into a Pixabay. Now this is integrated with Pixabay, so you put any keyword here, you'll be able to get access to images. So you can use it for thumbnails, or even if you want to make a a image video, or you can do gallery. Now gallery, what this means is just your the storage of your videos. So you have all these videos here. So this is the review of the Videtar course. Now this will be launching the November the 2nd, and so it's going to start at 17, and it's going to go up to 27, and by the time the launch ends on the 8th of November, it's going to be at 67. So everyone, the past you make sure you access on the launch during the launch period. So now so now this is my review, and see you next time.